Hey people, so I have come to this place called the Softy Co, and it's opened just yesterday, and you get like this amazing flavors, yeah, French vanilla, Belgium chocolate, and it is, as you can see, really tasty. So this place is in Ashoka Mall, which is in Moosapet, and it's right next to the Decathlon. It's really, so these are the 4 flavors, right? Okay, and then you have sundaes and shakes and all also. But yeah, I would highly recommend it. And आपका नाम भाई साहब? Agastya. Okay, that's a nice name. So that's what. This is Softy Co, and for just $60 or $55, you get these amazing ice creams. Like seriously good. So on that note, thanks for watching. And please subscribe. It's so difficult to hold an ice cream and to record. Seriously.